ama-secret omele uyofa nawo nje, even uthiwa uyawazi ukuthi vele awona ama-secret asesiphathi nje ufe nawo. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is so late. It's like 10 in the morning and it's Sunday. There is nothing much I'm gonna do beside cooking and cleaning this house. Feeling a bit sick, but let's start this day. Yeah, feeling a bit tired. Just gonna do some cooking. Sunday colors and clean. Yo, this thing on my eyelashes doesn't sit well with me. Okay, asibangene, asipheke. We're going to do the cleaning, but we won't clean now. I'm thinking I should just start with, okay, I need to wash the dishes first. We'll clean as we go because almost everything is not okay. I think I must just start with the butternut. Start with the butternut, cook the butternut. While cooking the butternut, cook chakalak, ne? Right. Smell is great to beetroot. It's a lot. It's a lot. For curry anyway. So I might as well just take out everything. Ngithenge a tray. Jolan my Jolan. Ngithenge a tray. I needed a few things. But mostly I needed this too. Let's continue then. Let's continue with the cooking. I needed this meat. Let's get into it. I tried to serve my man because I can't. I've been serving my man but not on a tray. Guys, Guys, I am done. The food was good. Yo, hi son. Hey, nabona mina ngathi akwethu angazi noma ngicabanga nje ukuthi kumele agezwe. Uzogezelwa ini? Kodwa nje avela agezwe nje agezwe noma yini khona emhlabeni nje cleansing. So everything was good. Ngamphekela ke umuntu nibonile nani, wadla wajabula. Hey, ngaperesa ngoba nginesipepe. Sondelani la ngixoxele nina nazi uzani la. Yeah. Ukuze mekuthele okufa litshele. Mekuthele okufa litshele. Ehhe. Pepe mina pepe la ngitshela ukuthi yabona futhi bashembe. Pepe mina ngitshela ukuthi sesiayilayinile nomuntu wami si understandani. Yabona abafethu kunama secret omele uyofa nawo nje even utho uyawazi ukuthi avela akona ama secret sesiphathi nje ufe nawo. Mina ke ngapepe. Hayibo. Hey, yabona futhi. Angikho hate. Angihethekile ke manje yabo manje angihethekile. Angikho namba futhi yazini nangidina wanini. Hayibo abafana. Ungathi uyabazi. Ungalingi ukuthi uyabazi abafana. Mothi wazi abafana yazini gazi ngicela ulala. uJesu utheme evuka wavuka kabi. Wavuka kabi uJesu wavuka. Hey, futhi nje I'm in denial. Like what the fuck happened? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, smakade. Gagamo wezulu. Hey ma, bye bye ingane zakwethu.